In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google's AI search tool, Gemini. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn it on and how to get richer AI-powered results right inside Google Search. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to google.com. This works on both desktop and mobile. Once you're on the home page, look for Search Labs. Depending on your device, you may see a small beaker icon or a labs option in the menu. If you don't see it right away, it may be due to regional availability or account eligibility, so don't worry if your interface looks slightly different. Click Search Labs to open the experimental features page. Here, you'll see an option labeled AI in Search. This is where Gemini powers AI overviews directly in your results. Click AI in Search to open its details, then enable this one. Turning it on allows Google to generate AI summaries and suggestions above the usual list of links. It's designed to help you get quick context, highlight key points, and guide you to helpful sources without replacing your own judgment. If you're concerned about accuracy, remember to scan the cited links and verify important details. After you've enabled it, click Return to Search to go back to google.com. Now you're ready to try it out. In the search bar, type your question the way you'd naturally ask it. For this demo, I'll write, "What is the in-demand niche for content creation?" Press Enter and let the results load. At the top of the page, you should now see an AI overview. This is the Gemini-powered summary that pulls together insights to answer your question quickly. It often includes key takeaways, helpful angles to explore, and links to sources it used. Read through the overview to get the big picture, then skim the regular search results below for more depth or alternative perspectives. If you want to learn more, feel free to click Dive Deeper. This option expands the answer, shows additional details, and often surfaces related subtopics or follow-up prompts you can use. It's a great way to refine your question without starting over. You can keep asking follow-up questions in the same search to narrow down your focus, compare options, or explore examples. That's it. You went to google.com, opened Search Labs, clicked AI in Search, enabled it, returned to search, typed your question, viewed the AI overview, and used Dive Deeper for more information. Practice with a few different queries and you'll quickly see how Gemini in Search can speed up your research while still letting you check sources and stay in control of your results.